In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove the OneDrive Save As option in Office 365 swiftly, and you can follow along as we get this done in about 5 minutes. Let's dive right into it. To start, you'll want to open any Microsoft Office application. This can be Word, Excel, or PowerPoint. Today, we'll use the MS Word desktop app as our example. So go ahead and open MS Word on your computer. Once Word is loaded up, click on File to proceed and select Open to view your documents. From there, you'll want to open a blank document to access the necessary settings. Next, look carefully at the menu on the left-hand side and scroll down until you see the Options button. Click on it, and you'll open a new window with several tabs. What we're focusing on here is the Save tab. Clicking this tab will open a variety of settings related to how and where your documents are saved. Look for the option that says Save to my computer by default. Ensure this option is checked. What this does is set your computer, rather than OneDrive, as the default location for saving documents. It's a handy setting if you primarily work locally and want to avoid automatically uploading files to the cloud. By selecting this option, you're telling Office to default all your saves to your local computer. This change will automatically switch the default location to your computer's default save path, typically the local Documents folder. After you've made this change, you can go ahead and close the Options window to return to your document. Now let's put this setting to the test. Go back to the File menu and this time click Save. You should see that now, instead of defaulting to OneDrive, your local Documents folder appears as the default save location. If you see this, then great news. You've successfully changed your default save location to your computer. This simple change can make your workflow more efficient by saving time and keeping your files organized where you most often access them. Remember, these steps will apply to any other Office 365 apps as well, so if you're frequently switching between different Office programs, you're all set. And there you have it, a quick and easy way to remove the OneDrive Save As default in Office 365. With a few clicks, you've personalized your Office experience. Thanks for watching, and if you found this helpful, be sure to subscribe and check out more of our tutorials. Happy saving!